Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the best 9-volt battery mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Need a quick way to render your design into a 9-volt battery in a few seconds. You only need to place your design intro to the smart object, and they will generate 3D high-impact product shots. Features: 6 PSD high quality render the image. RGB 2000 x 3000 pixels. Battery type 9-volt. Battery packaging design. Suitable for multi-battery design purposes. Changeable background via smart object. The main file contains 6 PSD files and 1 help file to customize your design into smart object. All items included download except the design on the battery are not included. It is for preview purposes only.